Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. I'm going to be doing a quick little blowout, a Dutch pour. I've had a couple requests for purple and green and a little bit of copper. I'm going to throw in some black as well because I think it needs it. And we'll see how it goes. I've got white acrylic down on my 18 by 24 canvas. And let me throw in as well, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be much appreciated. And for everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It means the world. Okay, let me start throwing some paint down here. I'm going to start with purple first. This will be a pretty quick little painting. It's always fun to do the Dutch pours because you get to use the blow dryer. Make all kinds of noise. And I've got my aqua green going down. It's pretty much just going to be on top of and beside the purple. Kind of mix it right in there. I've also got some deep turquoise I'm going to add. I'm just going to go on the other side of the purple here. There we go. And I just dropped a hair in my paint. One sec here while I pull that out. Glad I found that before it dried. Okay, and then we have copper. I think I'm going to go right down the middle. There we go. And my black. And I'm just going to go squiggly across everything. Okay, then I'm going to add some white to give it a little bit of flood flow here along the side. I'm going to blow it with my blow dryer into the paint and do a little Dutch pour. That should be good. Now it's going to get a little noisy in here. Hold on. I'm just going to give that a second or two to sit. I can already see cell action starting to happen, which is awesome. Really cool cells down here. And I'm going to give it a blowout. Excellent. I'm going to give it a quick little torch. Now this is a new torch. Sometimes it has a little bit of a flame bounce back. Don't panic. I got water nearby if I need it. And this gets all the bubbles out and activates any cells that's going to happen from the glue and water mixture that I have in my paints. There we go. Now looking at it, I think I need to add a little bit of purple up here and maybe a little bit more green down here. So I'm going to go with my gut and just add a little bit more purple in a couple of spots. Might add a little bit here too. Just to get the right composition that I want. It just needs a little bit more paint. And most people would say it looks fine just the way it is, but I like what I like. So I'll just do a quick little blowout there. Much better. I like to have the white negative space, but I also like to have the composition a little more even. So I'm just going to give that a quick little torch. And I can officially call this done. I'm going to give it a little tilt so you can see. Hopefully you can see the cell actions that's happening. Beautiful colors in there. It's going to dry beautifully. And there we have it. Quick little Dutch pour. Thanks very much for joining me, everyone. Please again hit subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you again next time. Thank you.